Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find Realme Buds if lost. To find your Realme Buds if they are lost, firstly we have to go to Google Find Hub. Of course you have to enter this app on the device your headphones are connected with. Enter lock screen password, and here you can find your devices. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.